Okay, guys, let's do our giveaway. I know everybody's been waiting. So we have a number generator. This is how it's going to work. We have a number generator, and we let that take off, and whatever number it falls on, what number you are as my subscriber, like if you're number 3, if it falls on it, you're the winner. But our number fell on 4,109, and that is Miss Deborah Kite. So Deborah, congratulations, you're going to receive a beautiful knife set. But my email is in the description. Please contact me as soon as possible. You have 1 week, and I will have to choose another winner, unfortunately. Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we're going to be making up these are pinto beans, which we're going to turn into some charro beans, which they're a Mexican side dish, or eat them as a meal. But make sure, in my pot I have 2 pounds of dried beans, sorted, cleaned and rinsed really well, and I have probably 3 to 4 inches of water, you can see there. And you'll add water as needed. Charro beans are normally, they have more of a soup instead of real thick, and they're eaten with some fresh tortillas or however you choose to eat them. They're just delicious. But you'll be needing some rotel tomato. You can get the regular or hot, depending on your spice. Some jalapeno. I like to use fresh onion, yellow onion, and green onion, and bacon. And I want to bring this up to you guys. Bacon. This is a good product I tried, and I would love for you guys to go check it out. This is from Browning Country Ham, and it's a delicious bacon, and it's good quality. Am I trying to send you to the site? Yes, I sure am, because it's really good. But they got a lot of good stuff if you guys want to go check it out. They got a lot of good yummy things, and then, you know, holidays sneak up on you before you know it, and they got some delicious looking hams on there. But this is some delicious bacon, you guys. Go check it out. They got a lot of yummy stuff on there. But I'll be using probably, this one here I'm using is the thick sliced. You guys by all means can get your regular, but I love this thick slab bacon. Delicious. But I'm going to put probably 5 to 6 pieces of that diced small. But for right now, we're going to bring these beans to a boil. We're going to let them boil for a good 3 minutes, and then we'll get them turned down. And then we'll get back to the video. Alrighty, the beans have been boiling for 3 minutes. And on the bacon too, I wanted to bring up, guys, I will leave the link in the description if you want to get you some of this delicious bacon. But those have been boiling for 3 minutes. I'm going to cover them. And we're going to let these simmer maybe, well, you know what? I got here 4 cloves of chopped garlic. We're going to put that in there. And I have a 1/4 teaspoon of ground comino, which is ground cumin, a Mexican spice. 1/4 teaspoon. And we're going to cover these beans. I'm going to turn them down to a light simmer, and we're going to cook those maybe 45 minutes, and we'll get some more stuff added to it. Alright, meanwhile, while our beans are cooking, I have 5 slices of the thick slab bacon. You can see how nice and thick and meaty that is. Delicious. And when this gets, we don't want to fry. We don't want it too brown. As you can see, that's how I have it there. We're just bringing out some flavor in that bacon, and because we want those drippings as well. Here, I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of chopped onion. This is flavor right here, y'all. And we're just going to let this cook for a bit. Alrighty, those have been cooking about 40 minutes or so. We got our bacon and our onions here. We're going to put in here. And I wanted to bring up to you, if you're not using slab bacon, you may want to use a couple extra slices if it's, the regular bacon. Now we're putting all of it in there. That's flavor. And I have a teaspoon of chili powder that goes in there. That's 1 teaspoon. And here I have about a 1/4 cup of diced up pickled jalapeno and 2 tablespoons of the brine that the jalapenos are in. Now, if you like them really spicy, now believe me, I usually use either serranos or jalapenos and these, because these are flavor, the pickled ones, and that brine, it's just good flavor. So I'll put a combination of all of it, of all of it. But since I'm using the hot rotel, I need to watch my spice. But by all means, add what you want. And 1/2 cup of the rotel goes in. Now these are going to cook probably a total of 2 to 2.5 hours slow with the lid. And we still got more stuff to add, guys, so just keep them cooking, cover them up. And we got some more cooking to do, and we'll be back. Okay, now here's where you'll taste it. Of course, there's no salt in. We do that at the end. But I do want more heat, so I am putting in a chopped up jalapeno. And like I said, the hot peppers is going to be to your liking. I just wanted to throw that in there, okay? But them pickled ones sure do give it some good flavor. Okay, beans are starting to get soft. So once they start, like maybe the last half hour cooking, remove that lid. And add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and you'll taste it here for salt. Okay, guys, we're down to about our last 10 minutes of cooking. Like I said, they cook in an hour and a half to 2 hours. Here I have 3 green onions chopped up really well. These just give it good flavor right at the end. And get you a good handful, rip it right off the bunch of the cilantro and just chop it up good. Probably about 1/3 cup or so, or much as you like. And we're going to let this cook maybe 10 minutes and we'll dish it up. Okay, guys, there's the beans. They are done and they are delicious. Let me tell you, I made some fresh flour tortillas. We like to eat them just in a bowl, make a meal out of them. You definitely can make you some mini tacos to go with them. Eat them the way you want them, but they are delicious. I put some more cilantro on top just to garnish them. Don't those look good? But you guys make you some up. They're delicious. They're comfort food for us, and we enjoy them. So until next time, you guys make you up some beans. Stay safe. And try that bacon out, guys. Definitely try that bacon. Like I said, I left the link in the description. So God bless y'all. See you later. Enjoy the beans.